Mikey with Hiking and RCs. So, thanks for watching. I have to say this was a fun little project to build for a first time at building a trailer. I think I did okay. Definitely going to probably upgrade on the tires. But other than that, I think everything looks pretty good on it. I got to maybe add some safety chains on the end of it and a couple other silly things, but you know, some tie downs on the corners. But all in all, I think that trailer right there is going to do just what I wanted. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good one.